Hey guys, this is our tutorial number 4 and I hope you guys are doing well with your GMAT preparation. And in this tutorial we are going to discuss what are the factors of an integer, and we will also have a very basic idea about highest common factor. Okay, so what are the factors of a given integer? A factor of an integer is a number which divides that integer and the remainder is 0. In short, in one sentence, this is what a factor is. Okay, so we will look at some examples. So suppose we have a given number 15. Okay, so what are the factors of 15? So all those numbers which divide 15 and the remainder is 0. Like 1 is a factor of 15, 3 is a factor of 15, 5 is a factor of 15, 15 is a factor of 15. Okay, do you have any more numbers which are greater than 15? No, never ever a number greater than 15 could be a factor of 15. Okay, because in that case the remainder will always be 15. So this is the basic idea about factor. Sorry. So now let's look at another example. Suppose we have a number 20. So what are the factors of 20? So again we will have to look for all the numbers that can divide 20 and the remainder is 0. Actually, when we say divide, we mean the remainder is 0. So again we have 1, 2, 4, 5, blah blah blah. Okay, so a number can have many factors. Okay, so this is what a factor is. Okay, so for the highest common factor, first we will look at the common factors. Now we have two numbers, 15 and 20, and 15 has factors 1, 3, 5, 15, and 20 has factors 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, and 20. So these are all the factors of 15, and these are all the factors of 20. So can we see some common factors, like the numbers which are factors of both 15 and 20? Yes, we have 1, we have 5. Any more number? No. So we have two numbers which are factors of 15 and 20 both. So 1 and 5, they are common factors for 15 and 20. Okay, and of 1 and 5, 1 is the least common factor and 5 is the highest common factor. I mean, if you have 2-3 numbers and we get all the common factors of those numbers, then the number which is the highest among all the common factors is highest common factor. Okay, and the number which is least is the least common factor. But from our GMAT examination point of view, least common factor is of least importance. The only important factor is the highest common factor. So okay, so what is a highest common factor? A highest common factor is a common factor which is highest among all the factors, among all the common factors. And how do we get highest common factor? This we will look into another tutorial, but for the time being, this is the concept of highest common factor. So now we have seen what are the factors. Factors are all the numbers which can divide the given number. And what is a highest common factor? A highest common factor is the highest number among all the common factors. Okay, so like if we have 4, 6, and 12, if you have to get the highest common factor, I'm not going to show you the procedure. I'm just using the basic methodology, the concept of factors and highest common factor. Okay, we will look into how to get highest common factor of given numbers in another tutorial when we will be done with our factorization tutorial. But for the time being, suppose we know all the factors of 4, 6, and 12, and then we will just take the common factors and then take the highest of all those common factors. So for 4, what are the factors? Okay, 1, 2, 4, not 3. 3 cannot divide 4. And for 6, it is 1, 2, 3, and 6. And for 12, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. So these are the factors of 4, these are the factors of 6, these are the factors of 12. Now we have to choose the common factors of 4, 6, and 12. 1 is a factor of 4, 6, and 12. 2 is a factor of 4, 6 and 12. There is no other number which is common among the factors of 4, 6 and 12. So we have only two numbers, 1 and 2. So now we can say the highest common factor. Highest common factor is the highest number among all the common factors. Okay, so here the highest common factor is 2. Now one can ask, how do we get all the factors? Okay, so more or less this is what you know from the experience point of view. You start from 1 and you will never be given in the examination like list all the factors of a given number. If any day you get any question related to factors, it will be something like you have a number given b and choose among all the 4 numbers that is a factor of b. Okay, like you have a given number 45. Now given all the 4 numbers, which one is a factor of 45? But don't worry, you are not going to get any question this much easy. I'm just giving an example. So like A is 2, B is 7, C is 8, D is 9. Okay, in the examination you will get 5 options. So like E is 10. So of all these 5 numbers, which one is a factor of 45? You can easily say which one is. But don't worry, you're not going to get a question like this much easy. So this is the basic concept of factors. So in our next tutorial we will go through the factorization process, then we will move towards how to get the least common multiple and highest common factor. Okay, so guys, that was all for the today. Thanks. Yes, good luck for your GMAT examination as usual. Bye.